I have this polynomial x square minus, when I say polynomial, it will be f of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 10. And I'm saying that x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial.
Yeah, ma'am. So x is equal to, it will become plus 2.
Okay. And then?
And then you substitute 2 for like x.
F of 2, right? And then
yes,
wherever in the place of x, I'm just replacing it with x. Am I getting 0 or not? That is what I need to check. When I say x minus 2 is a factor, the remainder should be 0. Let's see that. 4 minus 14 plus 10. So I'm getting 0 here. So if I'm getting 0, then x minus 2 is a factor of this given polynomial. Now, today what you're going to learn is, if x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, what is the other factor? How will you find out the other factor? What are the factors of x square minus 7x plus 10? You have learned factorization last year. What are the factors of x square minus 7x plus 10? See, x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. If I do, factorization would be simple. Split the middle term. So can I write it as x minus 5 into x minus 2 equal to 0? Is it correct? I'm splitting the middle term. I'm splitting it as minus 5 and minus 2. So don't you think I'll get x minus 5 and x minus 2 as the factors? In some of the question, they will ask you to factorize it. Or sometimes what happens is you don't know. Assume that you don't know the factorization. Then what will you do? Take the polynomial, that is x square minus 7x plus 10. And you already know one factor. And the one factor, the known factor is x minus 2. Go and divide it by x minus 2. And what do you get as a quotient? That is going to be the factor, another factor. So here, if I try to divide x square minus 7x plus 10 by x minus 2, what do I get? So x square divided by x is x. So x I will get. Now x square minus 2x. Now subtract. I get negative 5x plus 10. Now negative 5x divided by x is negative 5. So I'm getting minus 5. So minus 5 will give me minus 5x plus 10. Look at this. 0. So did I get the second factor here? This is my second factor, right? The second factor is already, I got it as quotient. When I divide the given polynomial by the given factor, I get the other factor. This is what you are learning in today's class. Finding the second factor. If one of the factor will be given to you, and how will you find the second factor? Yeah, let's start doing the problems. Here it is 12th question in your textbook, page number 109. Using the factor theorem, show that x minus 2 is a factor of 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Hence, factorize the given equation. So, polynomial given is 3x square minus 5x minus 2. You need to verify whether x minus 2 is a factor or not. So, how will you do it? X minus 2 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 2. So, f of 2 gives you 3 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 2, which is 4 3s are 12 minus 10 minus 2, which is 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Okay, so that part is done. Now you need to calculate the second factor. You already identified first factor. Means it's already given to you. You just validate it whether that's a factor or not. Now calculate the second factor. So instead of going ahead and splitting, you can divide. So here I'm going to use the division approach. So 3x square minus 5x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So division, I have already told you, always take the first term, highest power of x. That is going to be your first term. If they have given it like this, like 2 minus 5x plus, sorry, negative 2 minus 5x plus 3x square. So you have to arrange it in such a way that highest power of x comes as the first term. That's how we generally do it. Now take 3x square and divide it by the x term, coefficient x term. Okay. So this will give you 3x. So 3x comes. 3x into x is 3x square. Minus 3x into 2 is 6x. Subtract means just change the sign. So do that, you get just x, bring down this to minus 2. How many times? X divided by x is 1. So you get plus 1. So 1 into x minus 2 is x minus 2 itself, so 0. So therefore, other factor is, what is other factor? Second factor. Okay. Just a moment. So second factor is 3x plus 1. Show that 2x plus 7 is a factor of 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 4. Okay. So here f of x is a cubic equation because it is like 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14. This is your polynomial. Hence, factorize the given. Okay, one factor they have given. Show that 2x plus 7 is a factor. So this is given to you. Now, given the expression, okay, factorize the given expression completely using factor theorem. So how do you do it? You have to use factor theorem and completely factorize it. So that means you just check whether this 2x plus 7 is a factor. That's the first step. So 2x plus 7 equal to 0. What is going to be your x value? Negative 7 by 2. Now f of negative 7 by 2 is equal to 2 into negative 7 by 2 the whole cube plus 5 into negative 7 by 2 the whole square minus 11 into negative 7 by 2 minus 14. 343 divided by what? 4 plus, or not plus, it's going to be minus, no, it's plus only, right? Plus negative 49 into 5. What is 49 into 5? 245 divided by 4 plus 77 by 2 minus 40. This is negative 98 by 4 plus 77 by 2 minus 40. So you get minus 49 by 2 plus 77 by 2 minus 40. 28. So 28 by 2. What is 28 by 2? I'm getting 28 by 2 minus 14, which is 0. 14 minus 14 is 0 is what I'm getting. So this shows that the given 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7, you can write therefore 2x plus 7 is a factor of, what is the given polynomial? You can write that entire thing, which is 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 40. Now you need to find out the remaining factors. See, it's a cubic equation. The given polynomial is it's a cubic polynomial. From the cubic polynomial, what you will do is you will divide 2x plus 7. So when you divide 2x plus 7 from a cubic polynomial, you will get a quadratic equation. That means power 2, degree 2. So use this quadratic equation, and using the that quadratic equation, you can split the middle term or do, those kind of factorization approaches that we have learned in 9th grade. Use that approach and factorize it. Okay, but otherwise you will not be. You have to divide. So this 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14, you have to divide it with divided by 2x plus 7. Only then you will get a quadratic equation, and that is a mandatory step. So let's try that. 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14 divided by 2x plus 7. So how do you do it? Take 2x cube divided by 2x. I am getting x square. So take that x square as in the quotient side. Then x square you multiply with each and every term of the divisor. So this gives me 2x cube plus 7x square. Subtract. I get minus 2x square minus 11x. Now minus 2x square divided by 2x will give me negative x. So minus x. So 2x into negative x is minus 2x square. Minus x into 7 gives me minus 7x. Okay. Now subtract. Subtract means change the sign. I get negative 4x, bring down minus 40. Now minus 4x divide by 2x, I'm getting minus 2. So minus 2. Again multiply. So when I multiply, I get minus 4x and minus 40. Subtract, I get 0. So what is the quadratic equation that I'm getting? That is x square minus x minus 2. Okay, so I'm getting x square minus x minus 2. Can I write this? I have to split this now. Split this means factorize x square minus x minus 2. It's very clearly, we can, splitting the middle term, we can clearly understand that it is x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0, right? This minus x term, I can split like this. Minus 2x plus x will give me, right? Minus x plus x will give me minus 2x plus x will give me minus x. So this is nothing but x minus 2 into, what is x minus 2 and x plus 1 equal to 0 is what I'm getting. So basically, therefore, factors are, what are the factors? All the given factors you have to list out. 2x plus 7, then x minus 2, and x plus 1. Next question. Using the remainder theorem, factorize the expression 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. So this is the polynomial. F of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. They have not given you any factors, and this is a cubic equation. Okay, so factorize. The question is factorize this completely. So when this kind of question comes, you have to do some kind of guesswork. Guesswork in the sense like you have to try with x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2. One of this will give you the remainder 0. We don't know. At the moment, I don't know which one will give me give me 0. So you have to start trying from minus 1. Like see, these are all the possible things. This is what generally in your exam, this is what generally they give. They means board paper. This is what I have seen. Nothing beyond x minus 3 and all that, very rare chance. So here, what you will do, assuming x minus 1 is a factor, then x minus 1 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. Immediately put f of 1 and see whether you are getting the remainder 0. First see. So 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. See here, I already got the answer, right? 3 minus 3 is 0. Understood? So I don't need to do all these things now. I already found one factor, and I don't need to I don't need to try for x plus 1, x minus 2 and all that. So you will write, therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Sometimes you will not get the remainder 0 for f of 1. Then you have to try with f of minus 1, then f of minus 2, then f of 2. So you have to keep on trying till you get the remainder 0. And make sure you are calculating the remainder correctly, okay? Because if you go wrong in calculation, again, you will never get the remainder 0. So be careful when you do the calculation. So here I already got the answer. X minus 1 is a factor. If I have one factor, the next step is divide it by the given polynomial. So 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. This I'll be dividing by the factor which I just found out. So 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 is the factor, divided by divide by x minus 1. So 2x cube by x will give me 2x square. 2x square I'm getting. 2x square into x is 2x cube minus 2x square. Subtract. I'm getting 3x square minus 2x. Okay. So I'm getting 3x square minus 2x. So here, take 3x square divided by 3x square divided by x. So what do I get? 3x square by x will give me 3x plus 3x. Okay. So 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into minus 1 is minus 3x. Right? Yeah. 3x square minus 3x. Now subtract. I get x minus 1. I'm getting an x minus 1. Okay, so divide x by x, which is 1. So plus 1. X minus 1, and I am getting 0 in the remainder. So I have got 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This I need to factorize now. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. How do you factorize? You have to find the factors. Again, split the middle term. That will be. So how do you do it? 2x square plus 3x plus 1 can be done as, yeah, so what is my A? A is 2, B is 3, C is 1. AC is 2. Okay, AC is 2. Now find the pairs, find the factor pairs, which gives me 2. Right, that's what I have. See, I have to factor pairs PQ so that P plus Q is B and P into Q is AC. 2, if I factorize, I'm getting 2 and 1, right? So 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 1. If I give, I'm getting 3. Now 2 into 1, I'm getting 2, right? So this is AC and this is my B. So that condition is satisfying. P plus Q is, so if I'm taking 2 and 3, if PQ is 2, 1, then 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 into 1 is 2 square plus 2x plus x plus 1. This is what I'll write. Okay. This is, if I'm equating it to 0, then take out 2x. Remaining is x plus 1 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 is common. And if I take that out, 2x plus 1 is remaining. So therefore, factors of the given equation 2x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 1. Sorry, minus 1. 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 are, first one was, what was the first one? X minus 1. Are x minus 1, comma, x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Next question then. Find the values of a and b so that the polynomial x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 45 has x minus 1 and x plus 5 as factors. So they have given you two factors, which is x minus 1 and x plus 5. Now, for the values of a and b as obtained above, factorize the given polynomial completely. So two factors are given to you. So whenever it is a cubic equation, there is a high probability that you will have three factors. Okay, x cube, when the degree of a given polynomial is 3, you will have three three factors. Okay, when the degree of the given equation is 2, you will have two solution or two factors. So here degree given is 3. Cubic polynomial means the largest power is 3. So it's a cubic equation or cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial has got 3 factors. So 2 factors are already given to you. Now you need to find out the third factor. But if you want to find the third factor, you need to first find out a and b. Find out a and b and then go and divide with this, you will get the answer. Okay, so let's try that. So since x minus 1 is a factor, what you can write is f of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus a plus b minus 45, which is 1 plus a plus b minus 45 equal to 0. Okay, since x minus 1 is a factor, f of 1 would be 0. Maybe you can write that also. F of 1 is going to be 0. So a plus b minus 45 equal to 0, or in other words, a plus b equal to 44. This is equation number 1. Now, since x plus 5 is a factor, f of minus 5 is 0, right? F of minus 5 is also going to be 0. So you will write 0 equal to, or I'll write the other way, minus 5 the whole cube plus a into minus 5 the whole square plus b into minus 5 minus 45 is equal to 0. This gives me minus 125 plus 25a minus 5b minus 45 is equal to 0. Now 25a minus 5b is equal to, now what is 125 plus 45? 170. Now 5 is common in all the terms, so I'm going to divide it by 5 so that I'll get a simple equation. 5a minus b is equal to 34 is my second equation. So I have got two simultaneous equations. Use elimination method or substitution method to solve it. So I will go with we can just add, right? Elimination method should be good. So equation 1 plus 2 gives me a plus b equal to 44. 5a minus b equal to 34. That gives me 6a is 78. A would be 78 by 6, which is 13. So substitute a equal to 13 in a plus b equal to 44. So I get 13 plus b equal to 44 implies b equal to 44 minus 13, b equal to 31. Now, what would be the polynomial? Therefore, polynomial is going to be, let me write down the polynomial, x cube. Therefore, f of x would be x cube plus 13x square plus 31x minus 45. So this is your new polynomial. What you can do is, you have the polynomial, you can divide it by the given factors. So what are the factors given to you? X minus 1 and x plus 5 are given to you. So you can go ahead and divide this. So first I will divide this polynomial by x minus 1. And then I will go and divide it by x plus 5. So two factors are given to me. So let's try to do it. So it's like x cube plus 13x square plus 31x minus 45. Go ahead and divide it by x minus 1 first. So when I divide x cube by x, which is going to be x square. So I'm getting x square. So x cube minus x square plus 31x. Now 14x square divided by x would be 14x. So 14x would be 14x square minus 14x. Change the signs. So what do you get? 45x is what I'm getting. So 45x and bring down minus 45. Okay, so now 45x by x is 45. So I have plus 45 now. And I just do 45x minus 45 gives me 0. So the first round of division gives me one polynomial, which is x square plus 14x plus 45. This I am going to divide by my second factor, which is the second factor, x plus 5. X plus 5 is the second factor, divided by that. So this is again x square plus 5x. X square plus 5x. Now change sign. It is going to be 9x plus 45. So 9x by x gives me 9. So plus 9. I have 9x plus 45. Yeah. So what is the third factor? Therefore, factors of, what is the question? Write down the question first. X cube plus 13 x square, x cube plus 13x square plus 31x minus 45. Factors of x cube are x minus 1, x plus 5, and x plus 9. To divide, if you get x square plus 14x plus 45, at that point you can just do the middle term splitting. Even if you do middle term splitting, you will get x plus 5 and x plus 9 as factors. You can go ahead with any approach which you are comfortable with. Okay, you can divide, or if you want to factorize and get the answer, you can go with that approach also. 50 has got 3 prime factors. What are the 3 prime factors of 50? 2 into 5 into 5, and I'm giving you just 2. Are you getting me? If I say one of the prime factor of 50 is 2, find the other 2 prime factors. What are the other 2 prime factors? 5 and 5. That's all. Yeah. So how do you get? If you have one factor, you just go ahead and divide. Then you get 25. So you know that, okay, 25 is 5 into 5. 5 and 5 are prime factors. So you can go with that approach. That approach is middle term splitting. Or if you want to try again, factorize, prime factorization, do like this. This is sort of division. Okay, this you know, this is sort of division. So you can go with, mental math, that is your splitting of middle term, or go with proper prime factorization approach. It's up to you to take whichever you want, you can go with that. Given polynomial is 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. Now x minus 2 is a factor, means x is equal to 2 and you can write all that steps. Since x minus 2 is a factor, f of 2 equal to 0. Then 2 into 2 cube minus 2 square minus p into 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This is 16 minus 4 minus 2p minus 2 equal to 0. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. So I'm getting 10 minus 2p equal to 0 implies p is 5. Therefore, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus minus 5x minus 2. Now go ahead and divide by first factor, which is x minus 2. So 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So 2x cube divided by x gives you 2x square. That is 2x cube minus 4x square. Subtract. Okay, so 3x square minus 5x. Divide 3x square by x, I get 3x plus 3x. So I'm getting 3x square minus 6x. Subtract, I get x minus 2. Yeah, so it is again plus 1, getting x minus 2 equal to 0. So I'm getting 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Square plus 3x plus 1. Think of splitting the middle term. It is, we know from, see, it is again a is 2, b is 3, and c is 1. We did similar one previously. So it is 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. Okay. So if I write like this, what do I get? Take 2x out. I have x plus 1 plus x plus 1. This gives me x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. So therefore factors are x minus 2, x plus 1, and 2x plus 1. Exercise 8C 13 to 1. Okay. So here, when divided, exercise 8C 13 to 1. Okay. So here, when divided by x minus 3, the polynomials x cube minus px square plus x plus 6. This is the first polynomial. X cube minus px square plus x plus 6. Okay, and you are dividing it by x minus 3. Okay, and then there is another polynomial, which is that 2x cube minus x square minus of p plus 3 into x minus 6. 2x cube minus x square minus of p plus 3 into x minus 6. So I'm dividing both the polynomial by x minus 3. So when divided by x minus 3, the polynomial, these two polynomial leaves the same remainder. Find the value of p. So here what they are saying is it is giving us the same remainder. What I'll do is f of 3, x minus 3 equal to 0 will give me f of 3. F of 3 for the first equation, for the first polynomial. For the first polynomial equal to f of 3 for the second polynomial, right? That is the meaning of leaving the same remainder. They have not told you that x minus 3 is a factor. That they have not told. If they had told x minus 3 is a factor, you could have equated it with 0. But now what is known to you is both when you divide the polynomials by x minus 3, you get the same remainder. So f of 3 for the first polynomial is equal to f of 3 for the second polynomial. So calculate that. So it will give me 3 cube minus p into 3 square plus 3 plus 6 equal to 2 times 3 cube minus 3 square minus of what? P plus 3 into x. X is 3 minus 6. Okay. So this is 27 minus 9 p plus 9 is equal to 27 into 2 is 54 minus 9 minus of p plus 3 into 3. So 3p I have to, this 3 I am giving to each of them. Okay. So I'll get minus 3p minus 9 minus 6. So 36 minus 9p is equal to 30 minus 3p. Minus 9p plus 3p equal to 30 minus 36. Oh, okay, so I'm getting p as 1. Minus 6p equal to minus 6, p is equal to 1.
Yes.
So 15th question. Using remainder theorem, find the value of k if on dividing 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5 divided by x minus 2 leaves a remainder 7. Using remainder theorem, find the value of k if on dividing 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5 by x minus 2 leaves a remainder 7. So this is the question. F of 2 would be 7. Okay, so you have to equate it with that. So 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So 16 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 2k plus 5 equal to 7. 16 plus 2 is 28. 28 plus 5 is 28 plus 5 is 33. 33 I'm taking like this minus 33. So what do you get here? I'm getting minus 26 here. Here it is minus 2k. So k is going to be minus 26 by minus 2, which is 13. Yeah, try 16th one then. What must be subtracted from 16x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 7 so that the resulting expression has something? Okay, so minus p. So this is what the expression would be like this. You need to subtract some value. Okay, what must be subtracted from 16x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 7 so that the resulting expression has 2x plus 1 as a factor. So 2x plus 1 is a factor. 2x plus 1 is a factor implies what? X would be negative 1 by 2. So here you put f of negative 1 by 2, that should be 0. F of negative 1 by 2 should be 0, right? So put that in the given polynomial. So you will have 16 into negative 1 by 2 the whole cube minus 8 into negative 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 into negative 1 by 2 plus 7 minus p. I'm not sure. I am yet to complete. Any of you got minus 1? 16 into 1 by...
Oh, it's 1.
Is it? Okay. 1 minute. I'll just finish it. 8 by 4 minus 4 by 2 plus 7 minus p. This gives me minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 plus 7 minus p. So I'm having minus 6 plus, okay, this is all 0. I got P as 1.
Yeah.
Thing is, when they are giving you what must be subtracted, remember to keep minus P here. Don't do plus P. Okay, plus P will give you add. What must be added? That's the meaning. But here the question was what must be subtracted. So what must be subtracted means you should be putting minus P. Then you will get the answer.